related to this vector form of law of reflection. Okay, let me take the question. Area of light is incident on the YZ plane mirror along a unit vector E1 cap is equal to I plus J plus K by root 3. Find the unit vector along the reflected ray. This has to be determined. The same set of formula what we had. So what was the formula? E2 cap is equal to E1 cap minus 2 in which plane the mirror is lying in YZ plane. So definitely what should be the normal? The normal should be along I cap. So N should be the I cap. Because the reason for that, the mirror lies in YZ plane. So therefore the normal vector should be perpendicular to the plane of mirror. Okay, I agree with this. So therefore the N cap should be along, it should be equal to along I cap, that one. Okay, let me substitute all the formulas one by one. Nothing is there. First we'll calculate E1 cap dot N cap. We'll see what we'll get it. The product of these two. So I cap by root 3 dot I cap. I dot I will be 1 by root 3. J dot I dot I will be 1. J dot I will be 0. K dot I will be 0. So what is the resultant? Will be only 1 by root 3. This one. So substituting this value here, this will be I cap by root 3, J cap by root 3, K cap by root 3, minus of 2. This will be 1 by root 3. And what is the value of N cap? Should be I cap. So 1 minus, so this will be 1 by root 3 I cap. Okay, this is a direction of reflected ray. Directed along the reflected. Tell me, is this formula approach is easier, or you really want to go back to the basics, like means you are going to calculate the angle made by E1 cap with the normal, then you calculate angle of incidence, then apply laws of angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Then from there again, you should bring the direction cosine. With the help of direction cosines, you should define E2 cap. Very, very, very difficult. Everything is just simplified with the help of this formula. So hope if you can remember such formulas, they'll be very useful for you in exams. It will be very useful. So definitely I feel like memory should be a part of your preparation. So what all you study, try to remember. You may forget, so periodically revise it so that it will become memory. So by the time you go to the exam, see that most of the things you should be able to remember comfortably. So in exam, this will be added advantage for you if you know this formula. Such numericals you can solve within a less interval of time. If you don't know this formula, really you have to struggle. It will take maybe 15 minutes, more than around 10 to 15 minutes. So make a practice of trying to remember the content which you have come across. We know after 1 month you'll forget. Okay, periodically try to revise it so that they'll become permanent memory. You should try your level best to recollect things.